Hello my board members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Zizwele umondli gungubela khwele edileka kuJahlophe eParliament emtshela ukuthi lalela wena
I was listening for instance to
oil uyenza ngane research ukuthi oil yavala ubaba eshuzuma muzweke.
Now I understand why he doesn't want to. He says we should borrow money from BRICS. He thinks we don't because he doesn't have records. That's why he says we should do so.
Order, honorable members. Order.
The man who does not want to be called a judge says, why don't we order oil from Iran? He says, I am told it is cheap. It means he didn't check it. Now you can go and listen to yourselves. He says, I am told it's cheap. He didn't check it, but he wants to advise an august house to do that. But let me read something for you. Let me read something for you.
Order, honorable members.
Let me read something here. When was the oil cut with Iran? It's 2nd August 2012. The president yayingubaba. Ningilalela. That is when the oil was cut.